Put the pin code back in so it doesn't shut down like it just did there. Howdy guys, this is Johnny with your mark. I'm in a 2023 Acura TLX. We've added the Igla pin code system to keep this thing safe. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Fires right up like it should. If I were to put it in gear, we shut the vehicle down because we are not authorized. Notice the tachometer is at 0. I'm going to go ahead and restart the vehicle. I'm going to enter our temporary pin code here. Our temporary pin code is going to change with the customer before they leave. Notice I can put it in gear and drive right off. This system's 100% automatic. If I turn the vehicle off, it self-arms, meaning you can rely on it. It does not rely on you. I'm going to go ahead and restart it. Put it in gear. The vehicle shuts down. Again, restart it. Enter our code. And we're off driving there. What we've also added is anti-carjacking. Anti-carjacking means if you are removed from the vehicle, that the vehicle will shut down remotely without you having to intervene. If I open up the door here and shut it, I'm going to go ahead and put it in gear. Nothing's going to alert me immediately that I need to put the code back in. I'm going to speed up the driving process here just to show you that you can drive a good far distance so that you are safe from whatever situation might happen. So now the system has indicated to me that I need to put a pin code in. I have 20 seconds from the first time that flashed to enter it. I'm going to disregard and continue to drive. Let me go ahead and make a U-turn so I can stop at a safe spot here. At this point in time, if you're the operator of the vehicle, is when you would want to put the pin code back in so it doesn't shut down like it just did there for us. I'm going to go ahead and turn the vehicle back on. I've entered our code. I'm going to recycle the ignition and restart it, just so I can clear that warning message off the dash. I'm going to go ahead and put it in gear, and we're fine. Obviously, the would-be thief would have no clue what your pin code is, leaving your vehicle unable to be driven until you come to retrieve it. If you have any questions about how we can protect your vehicle with the Igla pin code system, give us a call or text 972-612-6886.